So the UGA Bulletin is the most important resource, in my opinion. It's the only place that you can look up prerequisites and course descriptions, and you can also find syllabus or syllabi from previous instructors for classes. So whenever you're interested in a course, your first step, in my opinion, should be go to the bulletin and look the course up, look up the prerequisites, look up the descriptions, and even maybe look up a previous syllabus to get an idea about the course. So here's the bulletin. How do you find it? You can go on the Google and just type in UGA Bulletin, and the first link will be this page, the UGA Bulletin. And then if you click on courses right here, you can look up classes. So for instance, let's say you want to take chemistry 1211. Well, you have to look up the description for the class. You have to look up the prereqs or the rules in a sense in order to take that class. So you click go, and it will tell you, oh, it's the prereq or the co-req for the class is Math 1113. So that means you have to take pre-calculus before you take the class or with the class. And then you also see there's a co-requisite for chemistry 1211L, which means that you have to take the lab with the lecture in order to take this class. So the other thing, so whenever I see like a class that's a prereq of a class, then I want to look up that class as well and see if that class has a prereq. So let's do that. So let's look up Math 1113, and okay, what is that? That's pre-calculus. It gives you a little description right here, and then you look up prereqs. So it doesn't have any prereqs, so you can go ahead and sign up for this class. So that's one way of looking at it, but you still want to talk to your advisor because some students might not be ready to take pre-calculus. So that's one thing that you can do with the bulletin that you can't do with any other resource. Then you can also look up major requirements. If you click on the majors tab and then click, let's look up biology because there are a lot of biology majors. So you click on biology, click go. First it gives you general information, and then the page that's the most important page is the degree requirements page right here. So you want to click that, and if you're a biology major, you should have this page bookmarked. So this basically is the law of the land for biology. For the lack of any, so this is the official requirements for biology. The biology department has to honor these requirements. So, you see areas 1 through 5 of the core, and then area 6 is very important. So, whenever you're looking up degree requirements for a major, you always want to look up area 6 and see what classes what classes are in area 6. So, for instance, Chem 1212 is in area 6. So that means you want to look that class up. So that class is, and look up the prereqs for this class. So the prereq for this class is Chem 1211. So that means for area 2, physical science, you want to take Chem 1211. So that's how you kind of read the degree requirements for it. And it's always good to open this page up while you're looking at degree work so you can kind of mirror the requirements. So sometimes when you're looking at degree works, things don't look as clear as they do on the bulletin version of it. So for instance, if you click a class on degree works, it'll just show you if it's offered or not. But if you click the class here, it will tell you what the class is. So I think this is a really good function of the bulletin. So, and then you also have university informations, academic rules and regulations, final exam conflicts, all other rules and regulations. So, again, anything that's on the bulletin is the law of the land, is the official policy of the university. So you really want to get used to using this resource. Very important. So this is just a general overview for the bulletin.